Today we are going from this to this. Welcome back, guys. Today in this episode we are putting new lights in the garage. The lighting in the garage is very, very important because that's how we work on stuff. That's how we can see different vehicles. Don't mind this one. As you can see, it's freezing in here. The heater stopped working, so we gotta fix that. But yeah, today we bought a kit off Amazon. I don't know if these got a brand. They say LED Series T8 tube.
T8 tube.
Right way. Brill hood is what they say on the box. Anyways, you get 10 of these little lights, and you can see them right here. This is what they look like. They're 4-inch. They're pretty small if you see the size of my hand, and they're 2200 lumens. So we got 10 of them. We got some jumper cables, and we're gonna string them all up here and make this super bright.
First, I gotta roll my rim. It says you're up to
Roll up the rim. I want a chance to play again.
loser.
Please play again. No, doesn't work.
Amber's calling. I'm right in the garage.
Amber.
Hello.
Amber.
Do you? Hello. Hey. I'll come in.